Hello everyone, I'm Jainer, the founder of BibleCheck. In 2020, I tried to learn the Bible, one chapter a day. However, I found it very difficult to understand, very confusing, very time consuming. So what I normally do is if I don't understand some part of the Bible, I open in Google and I search in there, and I easily get lost along the way. And I asked myself, is there a better way to do this, to learn the Bible? So I decided to build BibleCheck. With BibleCheck, you can learn, explore the Bible visually and interactively so you can get the answers fast and have more clarity. Now, let me just show you. So let's say you want to learn about Gideon. Tell me about Gideon. So for those of you who don't know who Gideon is, he's a Bible character who defeated the Midianites. And here it is. If you're Gideon, your name means mighty warrior, right? It's here. And then he's one of the judges. Right? See, you can see role and identity judge. So I don't know what a judge is. So I just click learn more. Learn more. And then it gives me the answer right there and then, right? So it even like gave me notable judges, and Samson is there, right? Just click learn more, then it will give me the answer. Now, prior to buy check, I normally open multiple tabs to find these answers, right? Now, let's go back to Gideon, and it says here victory over the Midianites. So, what is a Midianite? Click learn more, then yeah. Oh, surprisingly, it says here Midianites were a group of people in the Bible, descendants of Midian. And who is Midian? One of Abraham's son. So I learned something today. It's quite interesting that in just like few seconds, I'm able to learn more about who Gideon is. And it even connected me to Abraham, to the Midianites, right? So here I can zoom in, zoom out, move around, right? I can even like ask questions here. So let's say, did he win? So I'm asking if Gideon won in the battle, right? So I think the answer is here behind, right? Yeah. Yes, it says here, yes, big yes. Gideon won the battle against the Midianite, right? So if you're like me who wants to learn more about the Bible and you find this Bible check a helpful tool for you to learn more, feel free to subscribe and support me in this journey to build a better way to learn more about the Bible. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace.